RT bolt can be machined into any standard fastener product. It is supplied with the measurement surfaces protected by an NPT plug and an individual serial number laser etched onto the end for tracking purposes. Precision machining of the bolt allows the measurement of bolt load during assembly or operation without needing to take an initial zero reading. The manufacturing process involves conventional drilling, tapping and reaming of the bolt bore. Then a trepanning operation removes metal from around the central pin, which is integral with the bolt and formed from the bolt material, avoiding any dissimilar metal or need for adhesives or force fits. The datum surfaces on the top of the pin and the surrounding shoulder are then machined flat very precisely, allowing measurements to be taken on any bolt without needing to take an initial zero reading. To measure load, the probe is inserted down the bore and mates with the datum surfaces. As the bolt is loaded, the main portion of the bolt stretches, but the pin does not. The bolt load is measured using the difference in height between the datum surface at the top of the pin and the datum surface on the shoulder of the bore. The accuracy and advantage of RT bolt are significant in terms of durability and accuracy. The bolts are robust, as there are no parts, just one integral bolt, and the datum surfaces are protected from damage at the bottom of the bore. The bolts are more accurate due to the alignment of the measurement probe using the bore, which allows more precise measurement than any other methods, and the fact that the datum surfaces are kept below the nut face or bolt head eliminates reading variation due to nut position. RT bolt – simple, accurate, robust.